Smog is back to choke you in the financial capital as fire raged on in the Deonar dump yard last night. In fact, the fire is said to be smouldering even now. Pollution levels in the city have risen. Residents of Deonar will now protest against the civic apathy. We have Kajal Iyer reporting on the story. Kajal, the latest that we are reporting today is that a central team is likely to visit the dump yard. We are told the residents are all set to protest once again. And meanwhile, also we hear that of course, the area is under a serious threat at the moment in terms of a health hazard.
Well, right now you can see the residents that are protesting at Azad Maidan. You can see all of them. If my camera could show these petitions here, there are more than 15,000 signed petitions that these citizens have brought to the Azad Maidan protest ground that they have been sending out to various authorities. You can see that they have stacked it all across here, and then there are these various posters that they have put up. We demand Article 21, right to live, smoke chokes, and they're talking about the various problems that they are facing. Most of them are dressed in black. If I could just come to one of the people here. Ma'am, you have written a lot of letters. You have brought some of these petitions also. What do you hope to do? This protest is right next to the BMC.
Absolutely. Now, the very fact that you've said the protest is right next to BMC, you should have realized that we have approached and not left any stone unturned to reach this situation. So I feel a silent way and a peaceful way of demanding, or rather requesting now, in a very forceful manner, is the only way we can do something, and we expect them to do. We have done all the things before we reach over here. Now that we have reached this stage, we expect that something honestly should come out, and we would like you people to highlight these things.
Ma'am, symbolically you're wearing this mask. It shows about the kind of suffering that you're undergoing every day. Tell us something about how your children and how people in your family are facing it.
My children have not gone to school over the last 2 days, and this is not the first time that they haven't gone to school. In the last instance in January, again they had not been to school. In fact, I am speaking to the school authorities to declare a holiday because they have also announced examinations simultaneously. All of us in the family are having allergic reactions. We feel like puking out. So the situation is very bad with respect to health too. We just hope the authorities wake up finally, at least.
So a lot of slogans here talking about shutting down the Deonar dump. That seems to be the primary demand. The BMC meanwhile has said that they are trying to come up with other solutions in terms of increasing the CCTV cover, putting up night vision cameras, and also declaring the entire space as a prohibited area. But those are long-term solutions. For now, the citizens are facing a lot of problems with respect to the smoke and smog, which is bringing down visibility and also causing a lot of health problems.
Yes, Kajal, and the other aspect that we are covering, of course, is that the blame game over this entire issue. Now, I believe the Samajwadi Party, of course, moved a motion in the assembly yesterday. Things have reached the courts, FIRs being filed. But at the moment, tell us, what is this sabotage angle about?
Well, the BMC chief suspects sabotage because he says that the methane, though it can combust, but it seems that it won't self-combust unless there is something inflammatory that has been added. So the BMC chief yesterday hinted at sabotage. A second FIR with respect to the second fire has already been filed at the Shivaji Nagar police station, and he is talking about the fact that the investigation is still going on, and that there is a lot of unauthorized entry and exit at the dump yard, which is unchecked, and which is why they are moving to make this area a prohibited area. So yes, the investigation is going on, but so far they have not been able to find out if there were actually any miscreants involved.